Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Palmer, Ohio. And got a really nice 2017 Chevy Equinox we're getting ready to put on the lot. This thing's actually sharp. Wait till you see the interior. It's a little bit different of a collar scheme inside. And I'll show you once we get in here. Now this car has got the Premier package on it. And you're going to see what it is. It's nice inside, very nice. You got the tinted windows in the back. We'll do a quick walk around the outside. We'll go on the inside, get back here. Now this is a hatch, and it does have a rear view camera on it. Let me show you. There's the Premier emblem right there. Right there is your backup camera. So let's go ahead and we will pop this. Let me back away, show you what it looks like from back here. Get a little bit closer. You've already got the envelope style net right here for storage. It does have WeatherTech mats in here. It's got this is nice. It's actually a shade and safety cover that you've got if you've got goods back here. Just pull it down and it hides everything. Nice safety feature. Show you a shot from right here. We'll continue to do our walk around on the outside. Okay, and as you can see, it does have a wiper for your back glass, but I'm going to get up here kind of close, and I hope that you can see the metal flake that is in this paint. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. It really is a beautiful paint job that is on this car. So we'll get up here. The car does have heated mirrors, so let's go ahead and I'll show you the interior. Okay, here we go. Show you the two-tone. It's like a cream and black collar leather. Headliner appears to be in very good condition. Storage areas behind both seats. And there's your two-tone door panel. Okay, we'll get ready to take a peek inside, but before we do, I'll show you the door panel here. Two-tone. And you do have power seats, but you also have a 2 memory position for 2 different people. So push the button, the seat will go exactly where that you have that set for. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. I've went ahead and got the car started. So I'm going to pull in here and show you the gauges. Your mileage on this as of now is 52,202 miles. And you do have controls on both sides of your wheel. You've got your cruise control on this side and your audio on the right hand side, including volume up and down for your stereo. Of course, all your lights are on this bar, and then your cruise control with intermediate wiper, your wipers are on this pedestal right there. Now let's go over to the command center. You can see the LCD display. Scrolling down, controls for your display, and then here is your climate control. Now this car does come with heated seats on both sides, so that's going to be a nice feature. And come on down here and we'll show you the gear shift. Nice chrome trim that is around your cup holders and your gear shift, very nice. Now let me go ahead and drop this thing down in reverse, and there is your camera. So let's go ahead and take a look in back. Okay, you can see that the center armrest does fold down, and there is all kinds of leg room that is back here. One feature I do want to show you, storage capacity. Right here you do have USB and an auxiliary port, so plenty of storage area. But there we go guys, 2017 Chevy Equinox Premier trim. It's got the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine in it. Nice rims on this thing, beautiful paint job, tinted windows on it. It's just a nice, gorgeous car. It's going to make somebody a nice ride. But if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call up here. Telephone number, area code 740-992-4443 with any questions. If you'd like to take this thing for a test drive, you're more than happy to do that. We have financing options right here. So we have agreements with many different lenders. So we pretty much have credit just for about everyone. Great credit, average credit, bad credit. We can pretty much get you hooked up. So anyway, have a great day.